Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll see how you can create a realistic AI avatar that you can create completely free and in few minutes. Like this.
Hi, this is Hyatt. Nice to meet you here. Do hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.
So without further ado, go to this website. I'll give the link below in the description. Click on this button. Log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you will see a lot of predefined AI avatar. Go ahead and click the button to create the video. Now select the aspect ratio, create video. You can see one AI avatar is selected by default. Choose your preferred avatars from here. I have selected this. You can write your script. Once you're done, click on play script.
Hi, this is Hayat. Nice to meet you here. Do hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.
The voice looks like robotic, right? So we have a solution for that as well. Go to 11 Labs. I'll give that link below as well. Copy your script and paste it here. Select the voice from the drop down.
Hi, this is Hyatt. Nice to meet you here. Do hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.
Let's say I like this one. So go ahead and download the audio. Go back to wondershare. To add your script, click here. Drag and drop your audio file or click to upload. Click apply. Click play.
Hi, this is Hyatt. Nice to meet you here. Do hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.
So you can change your background as well from here. Select the background that you like. I'll go ahead and select this.
Hi, this is Hyatt. Nice to meet you here. Do hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.
So once you are done, you don't need to worry about the animation. Click on export. It will be generated while you are exporting. So let's wait for the export to be finished. So it's done. So let's go ahead and play the video.
Hi, this is Hyatt. Nice to meet you here. Do hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.
Cool. Go ahead and download the video and use it anywhere. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone.